Okay guys, in today's video, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, Ernst Manufacturing socket rails. This is the 19-inch. I got it off Amazon. These go for about $27 around there. I got it used. I wanted to save a few bucks and see how it arrived. I got it from the Amazon warehouse for about $16.50 around there. So if you want to buy something from the Amazon warehouse, you do have to read the description very well. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we got. Okay. So we got the 1/2 inch, the 3/8 inch drive, and the 1/4. Let's go ahead and put some sockets in here. This is all plastic. This is plastic. The rails are plastic. These things are plastic. Let's go ahead and put some sockets and see what it does. Okay, in order to remove these slides, if you ever want to remove them, the red slide, there's like 3 buttons right here. Has a little unlock. So each button holds each one of those. So let's say if you want to remove this one in the middle, you press this one down, you leave it pressed, and you slide this, and it'll pop right out. To put it in, you don't have to press it, it goes right in. It's just to remove them. Okay, I got a 3/8 inch socket, Craftsman USA. Let's try another socket. Okay, I got this 1/2 inch drive, 7/8 Craftsman, made in USA. don't think they should go like that. I think I'm gonna break it. So I believe they go like that, just loose. Oh, okay. That might be it. Put them in like that, then you twist them. Now they don't move. Let's try on this one. Put it in. Twist it. Okay, yeah, that's it. Let me zoom out. So whenever you're gonna get it, twist it, stays in place. Okay, that's much better. Let's go ahead and put some more sockets. Okay, so I got the stickers from underneath the rails. They were right here. I already put everything back together. These are the stickers if you want to see them. And this is a finished product. I don't have a full set, but I did want to put the half-inch drives here. I don't have any 6-point half-inch drives. These are the only ones. All the rest are 12-point. I don't like the 12-point. So I got 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm missing 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is a big one. This is a 36. Got a few torques down here. These are half-inch also, but I did have space here, so I just put them here. I'm not gonna move them, so they're gonna stay in place there. So you got the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I got a few more torques, half-inch, the swivel, the adapter. So this thing gets really heavy. I wouldn't be moving it around. I think it's gonna break. I wouldn't move it around if I were you. It's not even full yet. Let's go ahead and put it inside the toolbox. So this is what it looks like inside the toolbox. Much better, much more organized. Got the rest of the sockets here. So this, I wouldn't recommend it for commercial use, for mechanics who are always using it. Most likely they're gonna break. But for a do-it-yourselfer, someone who doesn't use that much, I think it's good. I think it will last. Just an update, after half hour, stickers are already coming loose. So don't think these stickers are gonna hold up. Also another one right here, it's falling off already. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.